I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your profile details on Uber is straightforward, and I am here to guide you through it. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your details. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Once in your account settings, look for the Edit Profile option and tap on it. This will allow you to change your personal information like your name, phone number, and email. Step 4. Update your details. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Quick gotcha, remember to verify your new phone number through the confirmation code sent by Uber. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your details, don't forget to tap the Save button to ensure your changes are recorded. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been updated. Now you're all set with your updated profile on Uber. It is a simple process, and keeping your information current helps ensure a smooth experience. Happy writing!